Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel. First, I would like to apologize for taking long to upload a new video. And please, if you're a new person in this channel, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and also remember to press the notification button so that you can be able to see new videos whenever I upload. So I'm going to take you through our farming here. And here, as you can see, we have the pure Kienyeji chicken. They're here feeding. You can see how they enjoy feeding there. So let's move guys to another section where you can be able to see more chicken, some brooding, some in different cages. So let's go, join me. Here we have a new cage with different partitions. You can see the partitions here, and I know you may wonder why I'm using the nylon papers here. This helps keep the rooms warm, especially at night. And here you have some chicks. You can see them. These have just recently been separated from their mother. We have 2 weeks old chicks together with their mom. Here is also another mom with chicks. You see them feeding, and as you can see, the rooms have been divided. This section here is where only the chicks can be able to come in and eat, and the mother will have to stay there, so it won't have room to feed more than the chicks. And inside there you can see there's a small cube, that's their sleeping room. So I've kept the entire room with grass. This helps also to keep the room warm. Down here we have some hens that are now brooding. They'll be hatching soon. One is down here. Another one you can see it's inside there. And another one is up there. They're all brooding. There's the section there. Down here we also have another mother. Some healthy chicks. You can see they also have a sleeping room there and a feeding section. So the entire area has lots of grass because we have lots of hens, so they can be able to lay their eggs wherever they want. You can see some eggs here. Some hens have already gone out. This will be hatching in 2 weeks time. And also down here, as you can see, we also have some laying boxes. I'm sure you may be able to see some eggs, and as you can see, there they are. So let's go up here and see what is up here. You can see big cock with 3 hens. They're also laying, and soon they'll start brooding. So this is their cage. The other side, we also have another big cock. This is another breeding area. You can see it has 4 hens. While here we have another cock with 1 hen. You can see there. You can see lots of eggs there. Maybe 1 or 2 hens are laying eggs there, and soon maybe 1 or even both will start brooding. This one here is brooding on the other side. Let's see if you can be able to see an egg here. Yes, there is 1 inside there. So let's go move to the other section. Here they still continue eating. You can see how I usually keep them busy by hanging the vegetables. You can see they're enjoying the vegetables up there. This is another section again. You can see them feeding. They're enjoying the food. Another section is down here again, breeding section. And inside here you can also see more eggs, more than 10. And soon you see a hen brooding on them. This is another breeding area. So let's go inside here and see what you can see. Here you can see another hen that is also brooding. There it is. And beside her you can see another hen brooding there. So in a few days time we're going to have more chicks that will have been hatched, and the mothers are here. Up here you can be able to see another hen that is brooding. It's deep inside the grass with several eggs there. And there you can see another one still brooding. They lay eggs all over and hatch from different stations. You can see where it's hidden. And here you can see another crazy hen decided just to lay some eggs just here at this. See the eggs there? I just realized that we have some eggs here yesterday. Here again you have another big cock This is another brooding area. So guys, let's move to the other side and see exactly what we'll be able to see. We have planted lots of vegetables here for selling to our customers, and here nothing goes to waste as we try to take some vegetables and give them to a chicken. And also see some feeding from modified feeding troughs. I see this is an old motorbike tire that is now used as a feeding trough. And here with the water, you can see we have aloe vera together with pepper. This helps in improving the chicken immune system. So for you to have more chicken, you have to ensure that you have enough food, as well as their homes or their rooms are clean and very, very warm, and especially at night. The chicken must also be vaccinated from different diseases. Here we also have another section. You can also see the water here has aloe vera together with pepper. As I told you, they help in boosting chicken immune system. Ensure that the water is clean. Let me first open the pigeons room. Pigeons are flying from their rooms. So these are ornamental birds that are kept for beauty. So you can as well sell them. And the prices vary from one pigeon to another, size, color, etc., etc. They're all paired. So if you want to buy, you can only buy a pair. You can see how beautiful they are. You can spend the entire time just watching at them. Let's open the room here. Here we have more chicken. You can see they're coming out to feed. So farming is good, and it's also very important when you're doing farming, you as the owner, to always be there. That helps you to monitor everything that takes place in your farm. So let me go inside there and see if I'll be able to see maybe some eggs. Oh, wow, two eggs here. So let me collect them. I see they love watching up there, especially when they've eaten and relaxed. See, that's a pair. So we have lots of pairs here. So maybe guys, you may wonder how much I spent feeding on these birds, the chicken, maybe the rabbits. So let me take you exactly to a section where we've been able to plant lots of vegetables. You can see guys, here we have lots of vegetables that are always ready for the market. Customers come and buy them here, while others we have to take the vegetables to them. We have also been able to plant lots of sunflower that are also eaten by our chicken when dry. You can see them. This is the area that surrounds our farm. You can see the goats over there eating. That's a man-made forest that's inhabited by lots of hyenas. You can see them at night. As I had told you earlier, here nothing goes to waste. You can see some of the covers of maize. So these ones are going to be kept for the goats. You also ensure that we dry the maize, which are going to take them to the millers, grind them to small pieces for our chicken. And here we also have dried sunflower, which we're also going to give to the chicken and see exactly how they're going to eat them together with sorghum. We ensure biosecurity here. So for anybody coming here, they have to make sure that at least they clean their feet here before entering the farm. That's our small store where we put our greens. So let me just collect some of the sunflower and go and give them to our chicken so you can see how they love them. Let's see. Just see how they're feeding on the sunflower. Let's see, they love the sunflower a lot. Just see how they enjoy the sunflower. So they love the sunflower a lot. From this metallic tank that you can see here, here's where we breed some worms that give our chicken protein. So let's go inside and see exactly how we do it. We collect the droppings from our chicken here, and then put them inside here. And after some few days, we are able to get the worms. Here you can see them. You can see lots of them, so I want to take them and give them to the chicken here. You can see now they have natural protein. See how they're feeding on the worms. Just see how they're enjoying. So guys, I hope that you've enjoyed the video, and remember, if you're a new person in this channel, remember to press the notification button so that you can be able to see any new video whenever we upload. Remember to like, share, comment, and also subscribe for more updates. Till next time guys, bye bye.